Ever crank up your Forester's AC and get nothing but hot air? Don't sweat it, this common problem might have a simple fix. Let's break down what's actually happening inside your dash. First off, what's the AC door? Inside your Forester's climate control system, there's a little flap, called a blend door, that directs hot or cold air. If this door gets stuck, or its actuator fails, you're left with the wrong temperature, no matter how you set the controls. So why does it fail? Over time, the actuator motor, that's the part that moves the door, can wear out. Sometimes debris or a broken linkage can jam the door itself. The result? Warm air in summer, cold air in winter, and a frustrating drive. How can you tell it's the blend door? If you hear clicking under the dash or your temperature controls don't seem to do anything, that's a big clue. You might also notice the airflow doesn't change when you switch from hot to cold. Fixing it usually means accessing the actuator behind your dashboard, a tight squeeze, but doable with a few tools and patience. For most folks, this is a good time to consult your mechanic, but if you're handy, there are plenty of guides online. Bottom line: if your Subaru Forester's AC isn't working right, don't ignore it. A stuck blend door is a common culprit, and catching it early can save you from a sweaty summer drive.